colorful Festival of Pahiyas 2024 here at Lucban, Quezon. Origins of the Pahiyas Festival dates back during the 15th century as an early Thanksgiving ceremony. Farmers would bring their crops to the foot of Mount Banahaw as a celebration of a bountiful harvest. Over time, they began offering their produce to the church in honor of San Isidro de Labrador. As the tradition continued to grow, the churches did not have the facilities to keep the harvest offerings. Instead, farmers were asked to display their produce outside their own homes, and the parish priests would go door to door blessing each harvest. The word pahiyas comes from the Tagalog hiyas or jewel. Thus, pahiyas means a bejeweled offering.
Sorry. Ito yung mga palay.
Ang pahiyas ay isang pasasalamat nila for magandang ani. Itong mga keeping na to ay mga rice paper made of rice. At bilang pasasalamat nila sa magandang ani kay San Isidro de Labrador.
Kaya puro produce ang
During pahiyas, every household competes to out-decorate each other with the most elaborate and creative designs using natural materials and recyclable items, which showcases incredible ingenuity and craftsmanship. Pwede din. What is the importance or essence of celebrating Filipino festivals like Pahiyas? Because it gives our country a sense of identity. Festivals provide an opportunity for Filipinos like us to celebrate our cultural identity and heritage, which contributes to a positive work culture. Pahiyas Festival na! Sa gitna makisaya, sa gitna pa rin na, sa Lucban. Siksik sa kasiyahan, umaapaw ang pagmamahalan, na taglay ang kapayapaan mula kay San Isidro de Labrador. Tawa ka? Nahihiya. They also have their background music. Viva San Isidro Labrador. Ang dami. Ang daming keeping. These are keeping or rice paper. Pahiyas 2024. Very nostalgic. The San Isidro de Labrador. At I think this will win. This house will win the contest. Kasi very aesthetic ang kanilang decoration. And yung paglalatag, ang neat. Ganda. So everyone is busy for the fiesta tomorrow. This is Pahiyas Festival at night. Yan. Very nice decorations. Yan, okay. Ito puro luya, ginger, and fresh fruits talaga. As you can see, nakita natin paano lang talaga. These are fresh vegetables. Yeah, pagpapasalamat sa patrona San Isidro de Labrador. Sa itaas ay mga luya. Hi kuya! Happy Fiesta! Ito ay puro gulay. Maganda. Very, very colorful.
Gusto ni Diyos.